Even when applications function as designed, they are vulnerable to fraudsters and sophisticated bots. These bots look, act, and behave like your regular users and customers. How do you distinguish the bots from your real users? WhiteOps protects enterprises around the globe, detecting 1 billion events daily. To detect even the most sophisticated bots, we combine technical evidence of compromise with threat intelligence and machine learning. This ensures only real humans interact with your website and applications. WhiteOps application integrity protects against fraud and abuse, including account takeover attacks, automated account creation, and payment fraud and carding. In order to stay ahead of adversaries, we constantly change the mechanisms we use to spot bots, and we work on developing new algorithms every day. Our detection results give you the insight you need to prevent further bot attacks. You can bring your own native signal to enrich detections and get meaningful insight into fraud operations. Getting started is easy. WhiteOps detection is deployed within minutes via JavaScript or SDKs for mobile apps. The dashboard allows you to analyze data and visualize fraud trends over time. Keep your applications the way they should be, human. Try WhiteOps application integrity today.